Have you found him?
What the hell are you doing, Ev? This doesn't look good. There's a TAC team coming at you in 30 seconds. Get your goddamn panties off the camera and get where we can see you so you don't get hurt.
Have you found my husband?
These boys aren't fooling around, Ev. Please. I can't help you unless you talk to me.
Call me when you find Mike.
Connecting corridors outside the elevator.
Tasks on. Situation is hot.
Okay, open the door about 2 feet. We're gonna gas her.
Waiting for a go.
Is that absolutely necessary?
Well, you want me to shoot her?
Get a medical team in place now.
Ready.
Okay, on my count. 3, 2,
1, go. Jesus Christ. Where is she? Come on, guys. Find her, Albert, now.
Suspect has escaped.
There. Bring that up. Stay with her. She's crossing the street. Pan the goddamn camera. Back that up and zoom in.
Mike Krause?
Freeze.
Yes.
What the hell are you doing there?
When was that? No message.
She's out of here. Switch to the exterior cameras. Keep it quiet.
Michael Krause left his office at the Smithsonian an hour ago.
Salt's apartment is 20 minutes from here.
We can cover it, but she won't go there.
She will if she's serious about Mike. And it stays in the house.
Okay?
Taxi!
U Street. I'll tell you when to stop.
Hi, this is Mike. Please leave a message after the tone.
He's one of the world's top arachnologists. As such, enjoys pretty much unrestricted access to the borders of North Korea. So, brush up on your bugs and get to know him. He's the perfect cover to get us inside.
Mike? Mike? Honey?
Hey, baby. Hey, baby. It's all right. Shh. It's okay. Where's Dad? Where's Dad?
here.
Office clear. Living room clear. Everybody out. 60 seconds.